أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقهوا قولي. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. This is Sayyid Shamila, your English teacher, and we are on the 13th chapter, The Adventures of Gulliver. We had seen in the earlier video that Gulliver was very giant, and he entered a city. He entered a place and he landed on a strange island type place, and he was tied by strings as shown in the picture, because the people in the city were afraid of him. And when Gulliver entered that place, he was very hungry, so he asked the people in the city to feed him. So we'll see how the people there feed him. At once 100 men climbed up onto my body and marched up to my mouth, carrying food. The bread was as small as bullets, so I ate 2 or 3 loaves at a time, and cries of surprise rose from the Lilliputians that I should eat so quickly and so much. गुलिवर बहुत जायंट था, हमने देखे गुलिवर बहुत बड़ा था, और उन लोगों ने उसको लिलिपुटियंस ने उसे फंस के उसे बांध रखा था. अब गुलिवर को तो भूख लगी थी, और गुलिवर इतना बड़ा था कि लोग उससे आराम से चल सकते थे. पीपल क्लाइम्ड ऑन हिज बॉडी. सो एट वंस मतलब एक साथ में 100 मैन क्लाइम्ड अप ऑन हिज बॉडी. 100 मैन. सो ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड हाउ लार्ज ही वॉज. 100 लोग आदमी उसके ऊपर चढ़ गए, और दे फेड हिम ब्रेड. और उसके लिए ब्रेड कैसे थे? बुलेट्स के जैसे. बुलेट्स इन द सेंस गोलियों के जैसे, छोटे छोटे गोलियों के जैसे थे. सो आई 2 or 3 लोव्स एट ए टाइम. कितने ब्रेड के? अपने जो ब्रेड का पैकेट आता है, वो 1 लोफ का ब्रेड का पैकेट रहता है, उसमें उसको कट करके फिर वो छोटे ब्रेड डिवाइड होता है, तो वो एट ए टाइम 2-3 लोव्स खा लेता था. एंड cries of the people were very surprised when they saw Gulliver eating so fast. The Lilliputians were very surprised at looking him. They danced upon my body and ran to and fro. इतना बड़ा था कि 100 men danced on his body and ran to and fro on his body. I could have fought at least 40 of them with my hands and throw them down. मतलब वो 40 मैन को पकड़ सकता था और नीचे फेंक सकता था, हाथ से ही पकड़ के. But I remembered my promise to remain quiet. Indeed, I was surprised at their bravery, for I must have seemed the greatest giant in the world. उनके लिए तो वो जायंट ही था ना, लिलिपुटियंस के लिए गुलिवर जायंट था. तो गुलिवर सरप्राइज था उनकी ब्रेवरी को लेकर, बिकॉज वो इतना जायंट था, फिर भी लोग उसे डर नहीं रहते. Later, I was taken to the city where the king lived. A great cart was made by joining many carts. 900 men worked for 3 hours to put me on the cart, which was drawn by 1,500 of the king's finest horses. The city was just half a mile away, but the journey took almost a full day. Later, I was taken to the city where the king lived. Where was he taken? जहाँ पे राजा रहता था. A great cart was made by joining many carts. एक बड़ी कार्ट बनाई गई by joining many carts. 900 men worked for 3 hours to put me on the cart, which was drawn by 1,500 of the king's finest horses. 900 men worked on the cart, and put 900 men tried to put Gulliver on the cart, and it was drawn. मतलब वो कार्ट किसने कैरी किया? 1,500 हॉर्सेस ने. कैन यू इमेजिन? 1,500 हॉर्सेस ने वो कार्ट को खींचा. The city was just half a mile away, but the journey took almost a full day. The city was just of half a mile. आधा किलोमीटर से भी कम की जगह दूरी थी, बट उससे कितना दिन लग गया? 1 दिन लग गया. See how Gulliver is eating bread loaf. The Gulliver's new home. The king came to meet me. He came near and looked at me, but it was not safe for him to climb upon me. The king king came and met Gulliver. At a place where the cart stopped, there was an old church. It was the largest building in the whole country. There was a church. एक चर्च था, वो कंट्री की सबसे बड़ी बिल्डिंग थी. For certain years, it had not been used as a church for many years. It had now been made ready for me to use as my house. So the church wasn't used. चर्च को यूज़ नहीं कर रहे थे बहुत दिनों से. So the church was made ready for Gulliver. The great door on the north was 4 feet high and 2 feet wide. The great door on the north was 4 feet high. कितना है था? 4 feet high and 2 feet wide. So I could go into it by going down on my hand. गुलिवर कैसे 4 feet ही हाई था और गुलिवर तो बहुत टॉल था, तो वो कैसे उसमें झुक के गया. One of my feet was set in a ring on the end of many strong strings so that I could not get away but could only walk some distance outside my door. वो बहुत गुलिवर का एक पैर को स्ट्रिंग से बांध के रखे थे. क्यों? एक रिंग से और स्ट्रिंग से बांध के रखे थे. क्यों? क्योंकि वो नहीं चाहते थे कि गुलिवर वहाँ से छोड़ के भाग जाए. The country outside looked like a garden. The country was very beautiful and it looked like a garden for Gulliver. After some days, the king and his people were convinced that I would not harm them. So after I agreed to keep certain orders of the king, I was allowed to move around. After some days, the king and his people were convinced that I would not harm them. Gulliver की behavior से the way Gulliver behaved convinced the people and the king that he would not harm the people and the king. गुलिवर इतना पोलाइटली बिहेव कर रहा था तो किंग और उसके लोगों को लग चुका था कि गुलिवर उनको कोई नुकसान नहीं पहुंचाएगा, और इसकी वजह से गुलिवर को किंग ने परमिशन दे दिया कि वो उनके सिटी में घूम सकता. गुलिवर visits the city and the queen. As soon as I was set free, I asked if I might see the city. The king was pleased to let me do this. As soon as Gulliver was set free, Gulliver को उन्होंने फ्री छोड़ दिया और he asked the king if he could see the city, and the king gave him the permission to see the city. Orders were given to all people to remain in their houses. The king ordered the people to remain in their houses. बाहर निकलने के लिए अलाउ नहीं किया, उन्हें परमिशन दिया कि आप अंदर ही रहो. I then stepped over the wall and went very carefully along the two largest cities. Gulliver was very tall. तो अगर लोग उसके आसपास घूमते तो गुलिवर के पैर के नीचे लोग दब जाते, इसलिए लोगों को अंदर ही रहने के लिए कहा गया. और गुलिवर बहुत केयरफुली चलने लगा along the largest streets. All the windows were full of faces looking out at me, and large numbers of people were standing on the top of the houses. All the windows were open, and people were standing inside in the windows and looking at Gulliver. सब लोग गुलिवर को देखने के लिए बहुत एक्साइटेड थे, तो सब लोग विंडोज में खड़े थे और गुलिवर को देख रहे थे. The king's house was just at a place where two great streets met. King का घर कहाँ था? At the center of the two streets where the great streets met. मतलब जहाँ जो streets मिलते थे तो वहाँ पे king का house था, palace था. There was a beautiful garden on all sides of it. On all the sides of the king's place there was a beautiful garden. Lying down in the garden, I put my eye to the windows. The rooms inside were very beautiful. In one room, I saw the queen and some of the young princes. They were greatly pleased by my visit. Now, the king's house was very beautiful, and Gulliver got to see the queen and the young princess. They were beautiful, and they were greatly pleased by Gulliver's visit to their city. Look here. ये गुलिवर है और ये किंग का पैलेस है. ये क्वीन है और ये प्रिंसेस है. This is how Gulliver traveled the streets and saw the queen and the young princess and the people in the city. This comes to the end of the video. I hope you have understood what I have taught you. Jazakallah khairan for listening. Here I am signing off.